In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Slides. Whether you're preparing for a presentation or need to create a visually engaging project, Google Slides is the perfect tool. It's convenient, versatile, and works seamlessly online. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is navigate to Google Slides. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Google Slides into your search bar, or you can directly go to the URL docs.google.com/presentation. You'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Next, you'll need to sign into your Google account. This step is crucial as it allows you to save and access your presentations from anywhere as long as you're signed into your account. If you don't have a Google account yet, don't worry. Creating one is quick and straightforward, and it's an essential tool for accessing all of Google's apps, of which Google Slides is just one. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Google Slides home area. Here you'll see any presentations you have worked on previously, as well as a selection of templates to choose from. For the purposes of this demonstration, let's start by creating a new blank presentation. You'll find a plus sign labeled blank that you can click to open up a fresh slide deck, a new canvas to bring your ideas to life. Now it's time to add some content. Each slide is your blank slate. You can click on the text boxes provided to add text. Highlight your message, press Ctrl+B to bold the text, or Ctrl+I to italicize it for emphasis. But don't stop there. You can also add images and shapes. Click on the Insert menu at the top and choose what you want to add. Upload images from your device or search the web directly through Google, which is an integrated feature, making the process smooth and expedited. To make your presentation more visually appealing, consider changing the slide design. In the toolbar, locate the theme button that opens a panel of different styles and designs you can apply. Simply click on a theme that fits your presentation's mood or message, and instantly your slides transform with creativity and flair. And there you have it, a brief but comprehensive guide to getting started with Google Slides. By following these steps, you create presentations that are not only informational, but also professionally crafted. Play around with the features, explore different design options, and let your creativity lead. Google Slides makes it all accessible and hassle-free. Thanks for tuning in, and happy presenting.